Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Yeah, we kind of have a problem, Houston. Houston, we have a problem. We have been in a constant state of C flare, pretty much. We went from the last 7 days from being constant B, and now we are moving up into a C. This right here is all of our X-ray absorption chart for all day. It's been like this the whole day long. Look at this, folks. Do you see this? Pop, pop, pop. We actually had an M1 class flare. Yeah, coming around the bend, our sun is so pissed. It just spewed out some massive coronal mass ejection. There's so much filament and plasma that it is ejected. We're gonna be going over that here in a little bit. I'll be showing you, but for right now, look at this. That's all X-rays. From the time that the sun pops, it takes 8 minutes to reach the surface of our planet. Coronal mass ejections can take between 5 to 7 days. Some of them can take as little as 18 hours, like the Carrington event. But yeah, fun stuff, huh? Yeah, buddy. Here we are looking at GOES X-ray flux, and you can see right here, there we are. Boop. Yep. That is an I believe it's a 1.3. Now you can see here, right here, we're in a B. Right here's our standard. Right here is B. Okay, constant state of B class flare, and then we moved up into C, and now we're dropping M's. Well, you just wait. We're gonna start popping X's here pretty soon. Now I'm gonna go to 7 day so that you guys can take a look. See? Look at this. We went from A class up into B class in 1 day. Stayed there all the way until this afternoon, then whoop, stayed up in C class, and now bam, we're getting that. And wait till you see what's coming around the bend of the sun. Oh, she's mad. Alright, folks, here we go. You're going to see a lot of active regions. We've got some major sunspots here that are very intense, and some other ones that are coming around the corner here. You can see it spitting off here, but watch over here where my cursor is. You're going to see something that's going to make you go, oh my gosh, watch this. It is not pretty. You see all that filament dancing? You just wait. She's about to spew out some ugliness. Now I slow the speed down to half the speed so you can really get a good look. But you saw that down on the bottom. Now watch this. Look at that. Look at. Oh. Oh. I'm so glad that wasn't directly facing Earth. That would be an ender right there. That would be lights out everywhere. Let's go check out somewhere else. Let's go look at a few other angstroms. Alright, and here we are. We're SDO. This is 94 angstroms of light. So you can see all the little pops going on here. You'll see all the little flares popping. Boo 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 boo. This is what's keeping us hot, keeping us up into that C class. Is all of this coming around looking at us. Look at that. Oh, let's roll that beautiful beam footage again, shall we? This one is actually running at normal speed. You guys see all the friends shooting up and down? They're everywhere. I love it. Watch this. Here she comes. Here she comes. Boom. Boof. Did you see that lift up off of there before she popped? Ooh. Let's go check out another one, shall we? Actually, you know what? I'll just do it with you instead of making you wait for it. We are at SDO GF or GSFC. You guys can obviously hit pause and get this down. I don't hide any of my stuff. Like here, when I was over here, I'm at spaceweatherpredictioncenter.noaa.gov. I don't hide any of my information, but this one really gives you a pretty good idea for the most part. I love this one. This one should be running full tilt. Yeah, this one's running full speed. Here you go. Look at all this activity up here. She's so mad. She's awake, grumpy. She's awake, grumpy. Oh my gosh, people, do you see that? Please, I hope you guys are seeing that. You see this spitting off, and this is getting us hot, and then she's just spewing off over here. And we're like, wait, what was coming around the bend? Why is it doing that? Oh no. Blah. Oh, we're in trouble, folks. I don't know what else to say, but we're in trouble. Alright, here we are over at the European Space Models, checking out their Enlil prediction chart, if you will, their version of it. Take a look at this. Bam. We're here today supposedly, but look at all this. Look at this. Oh, we stay above, what is it, 15 is right here. We stay above 15. Let's take a look at it. How many days? So we hit it right at the 28th, all the way until November 1st. Oh my gosh. Oh man, that is 3 or 4 solid days of just heavy, dense plasma. But the funny thing is that you look here and it's only registering like right around here. I don't know about that, Willis, because that's a massive amount. But look at their winds here. It shows, oh, no solar winds, no nothing. How can this go down and this go up? This has got to go up too, because you're getting something from the sun too. I mean, something's pushing it. Don't make no sense to me. So here we are over at spaceweatherlive.com, and it is the M1.33. That's the flare. The flare we're looking at is the M1.33. It's kind of nice being able to jump around to different places to see what we can look at. In fact, why don't we do this and come down here to Soho and see if they've updated. I actually haven't been to my normal live one here recently. Okay, well, yep. See, they actually stopped the time. 21:36 and 21:54. This is the last image, so you don't really see it popping off, but this is the last image right here of that one, that big one that we just saw coming off right here. And here they actually kind of screw it up, which is really annoying. And this one I can't control back and forth how it goes. But let's go take a peek at something else. All right, here we are over at Seeds, spaceweather.gmu.edu Seeds. Let's take a look at this bad boy and see how she does, huh? Only got 61 frames for the entire day of the 25th. That's interesting. We'll see if it'll actually give it to us. Oh, where is that? Nice round object there. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. It's a nice pop. Ooh. What was that? Did you guys see that? Wait a second here. Hold the phone. What you talking about, Willis? I mean, I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty nasty right there, but let's... Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. What are they trying to hide here? Why are they trying to hide stuff? Uh-oh, they're hiding it again. Wait a minute. Whoa, there's a big gap there. Very interesting. See that? Well, they do the same thing over on this one. This is Lasco C2. There's hours of missing data. Let's see if we can find something else, huh? Here's another part of Seeds. This is Stereo Head. Let's take a look at this. This one actually shows us a pretty nice, shows us the pop pretty well. Don't see any perfectly round objects really coming out of it, but of course there's a lot of data missing. There's a little bit that came out of this side, but nothing much. This was just an ugly pop, no matter how you want to look at it. Let's see if I can pause it. I think it's right around there. That's the one. This one here, this looks like it could be really nice and round, but honestly, with everything else that's going on with it, in fact, this actually kind of has my curiosity. What are they bleeping out here? There's 1, 2, 3. In fact, let's do this. Let's save this image. Yeah, and we're going to do that over here to my screenshots. Oh yeah, I got a bunch of fun ones here for you. To show you at another time. Got some fun stuff coming up here, folks. Fun stuff. Okay, and here we are at the Soho Movie Theater. This is actually the first tab. Soho Solar and Heliospheric Observatory. And then you come here to Soho Movie Theater. You click on that and it'll bring you over here to this page. And up here you just type in what image you want, the resolution, and the date you want to look at. And yes, there is some time missing. I'm actually going to slow it down just a little bit, just so that you guys can actually take a peek at the eruptions, because they're pretty epic on this view. There's one. Oh, did you see that? Almost like they brought it back. And they have not advanced this, and I looked at this a little while ago. It's kind of annoying. I don't know why there's so little images for one day, but it is what it is. And we'll go like this. Did you see that? 1900. Let's go back. There's 1812. There's an hour missing. Why did they do that? Oh, wait a minute. 14 to 16. What? Yeah, there's all kinds of... That sun is just ticked off. No other way of looking around it. And that's the last one right there. Look at that. Oof, I can't wait to see the rest of that. If they'll show us the rest of it. That's the key thing. Folks, please stay safe. Literally put on aluminum foil on your head. Tinfoil hats on. We're about to go through a really bumpy ride. This is not good. Top off your fuel tanks. Make sure you got food and water supplies. Yeah, this could get really bad. Alright, this is Lasco C3. We'll hit play and we'll actually be able to see quite a bit of the pops. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that coming from everywhere. That's coming at us. Look at this. That's coming at us. That one's going to... Yeah. Did you guys see that first one? Watch this. Whoosh. It's all coming this way. Yeah. We're going to get hammered. Fun times, folks. Fun times. And to end this episode today for everybody to pay attention to, you know how everybody's worried about La Palma over here? Why is nobody talking about all of these that are erupting? Why? Every one of these that are in red are in eruption. What? Warning, minor activity. All of these dots here, these are all earthquakes. This is just in the past 24 hours. Let's check out 48 hours. Oh, even more. What if we happen to look at the past week? Holy crap. Okay, so basically, and this is just M4. If we want, let's go one slower, right over here. Look at my cursor, M3. Bink. Let's go to M3. Look at that. Now, guess where all of these things are at, folks? Can you tell me where they're at? I can. They're all on tectonic plates. We're getting hammered by all these degum flares and coronal mass ejections and solar winds from coronal holes. Folks, it's impacting our planet. We're getting upticks in earthquakes, volcanic activities. The only ones that everyone's talking about is Mount Aso, Etna, and La Palma going off. But no one else is talking about all these other ones that are erupting. Like this one down here. Antarctica. What do you think that's going to do to all the ice? Melt it? Nobody's talking about the one right up here either. In Iceland that's erupting. It's not even showing or registering. Folks, this is going to be one of the coldest winters like you'll ever see in your life. All of these volcanoes are putting ash and debris up into the air, and guess what it's going to do? It's going to block out the sun, and it's going to get colder. Oh yeah. Hang on tight, folks. Clench up your butt cheeks and tighten it up, pucker it up, buttercup, because we're about to go for a ride, folks. This is going to be interesting. Food, water, and an alternative source of heating and cooking. You definitely need to do that. It's coming.